Hi everyone, my name is Vi-Ann Timmins. As the seasons change in Newfoundland and Labrador this week, we have welcomed calm, sunny mornings like this morning and beautiful, crisp evenings. And at Memorial University, we are looking forward to the summer, the fall, and beyond with hope and resolve. You know, I'm so excited to share that we're rolling out remote orientation and transition programs for you, our new students. Also, MUN-UP, a website containing a variety of learning resources for students across all of our campuses. The transition programs are designed with learning modules, campus-specific resources, and need-to-know information just for you. Many of these programs will be delivered in Memorial's learning management system. You know, you can get acquainted with the tools and resources you will be using when you start your program in the fall. The health and well-being of our community is one of Memorial's top priorities. So too is maintaining an accessible remote learning environment. We want all of you to progress through your degrees despite these difficult circumstances. You will be automatically registered for these free programs, so stay tuned in your inboxes. In the meantime, take care and enjoy this beautiful weather.